always looking for interesting recipes to have at tea time, and today's recipe is a very famous or popular South Indian street food, which is onion bondas. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've sliced 4 medium-sized onions for this recipe. So now I have the sliced onions. To this I'm going to add finely chopped green chili 1, finely chopped curry leaves a few, finely chopped coriander leaves a few. To this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. After adding all these ingredients, mix the onions along with the masalas. So by mixing the onions, you can see all the onion slices are separated beautifully, and the masala is coating the slices very nicely. So you need all the flavors in while making these bondas. Now that you've done this, next I'm going to add the gram flour and the rice flour. So next I've added 1 cup of gram flour and 3/4 cup of rice flour. Mix everything together. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot oil. After adding the oil, gently mix it. Then gradually pour water and mix everything together. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now this is optional. If you don't want, you don't have to add this. Take a little bit of the onion mixture, roll it in your palm, make it into a nice even ball size. So you can see how big this is. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, bring the flame to a medium-low. Make sure to maintain the temperature throughout. Gently start dropping the prepared bonda mixture. Deep fry them till they get a nice golden brown color. Once they come to a nice golden brown color, remove them from the oil and serve it hot with some nice chutney or as is. Here are these absolutely delicious and crispy onion bondas, which you can enjoy as is or with some nice chutney and tea by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Flame.